OpenAI just announced that their new model Astra just solved 10 major open problems in mathematics, quantum complexity, and also theoretical computer science. And this is the blog post they have posted on August 1, 2026, that 10 advances in mathematics and theoretical computer science. And also they have published it on their GitHub repository as a 10 proofs, and if you see, they have used this .lean. So previously also I told you lean is the only way to verify all of these problems. Let's say we all know 2 plus 2 equals to 4, but how can you verify that? And this lean is the only way to verify any kind of mathematical problems. Okay. Now here you see that this is the post from Noam Brown. Actually, he is the researcher at OpenAI. He posted it, and not only he posted, OpenAI also published a huge blog post. Means they have shared how their internal version of Astra, which is their next major model, maybe the GPT-6, it has found and it has solved these 10 major problems. The first one is the high dimensional sphere packing. Second one is the binary and spherical cores. Third one is the non-Sophie groups. Fourth one is the Kernes rigidity conjecture, and fifth one is the arithmetic circuit complexity. Sixth one is the quantum parallel repetition, and seventh one is closest vector problem. Eighth one is the Ehrhart's volume conjecture, and ninth multicolored Ramsey numbers and external number conjectures. This is the last one. And if you want to know how much cost this actually to solve these problems, here you see the total number of tokens needed to find solutions to these numbers would cost roughly $2,000 at Sol API rates. And these arguments were then prepared into manuscripts by humans with the same model, and afterward the model formalized each argument in a lean certificate. And they are also releasing each solution a model's narration of its thinking process. And actually you see they have written these things. In May we shared AI generated disproof of Arto's unit distance conjecture and discovered while evaluating an unreleased model, means this model. And after that actually they got the inspiration that this model have a lot of capabilities, and this model actually can contribute in mathematical and theoretical computer science area. So that's why they actually tried this model, and they gave the access to some researcher. Here you see some days ago on July 29, 2026, they posted accelerating scientific discovery with ChatGPT for academic researchers, and they actually gave this ChatGPT free access to 1 lakh scientists. Here you see the number, so that all of the scientists together can solve all of the unsolved problem. If you go to this ChatGPT, this blog post, then you will see that today we are sharing a selection of 10 results to problems, and they have been open and have seen no progress on the main results for at least a decade. You see that for at least a decade on these 10 problems there was no progress, and in most cases much longer. But this model actually solved that problems, and now there is a new way of solving these unsolved problems which we did not have any idea that we can solve it or not. And with this new Astra model we can solve that. So when they will get more success, they will release it officially. For that we have to wait. But the thing is that if these findings are confirmed through independent peer review, they could represent a major milestone in mathematical research, and demonstrating that means AI can contribute not only to solving known problems but also to produce the novel and rigorous mathematical discoveries alongside human experts. So this is the thing, guys, that I wanted to share with you. I hope that you will find this video helpful. You got to know new things from this video. Please make sure to subscribe this channel and like this video if you want to get this kind of latest AI related innovations and news daily.